Hi, JB again with my quick little iPad tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you both the Maps application and the YouTube application. Really, again, as I said in my previous video, very useful apps and work very well with the screen size and quality with the iPad. First thing I'll show you is Maps, which you'll see up here. We're going to tap on that application, and immediately a full screen map will appear. Now you want to look exactly where you are in the moment. You can press your locator button there. It will automatically locate you where you currently are standing or sitting or eating or drinking or whatever you're doing. By double tapping, you can zoom right in. You'll see that I'm currently in my home on Farewell Street in Oshawa. If you would like to see an actual satellite view of that, you can just tap on the little corner here and you can choose satellite. And here we go. There's a satellite view of where I am. And again, you can zoom in as close as you possibly can, and you can see my home right there and my hedges that I recently trimmed. Again, very fast response, very good resolution. As with any of the Apple, Google Maps applications, you can also get directions. So I'm going to go back to the classic view of your maps here, and I'm going to choose directions. Now, I already have something set up in there. Well, actually, I have the actual directions to work. I already know how to get to work, but let's say I want to go to I don't know, my girlfriend's sister's house in Toronto. So we have our current location. You're going to go from your current location, where you currently are, to whatever location you decide. And I'm going to type in here an address. Oops, I need to clear the existing address that's there. Try that again. The address is in Toronto, so I've typed that in, and I'm going to press search. Okay, and now it gives me the actual directions, and down here it actually gives me point-to-point driving directions as well. So if you press start, it will show the map zoomed out, and then you can go from one turn to the next as you go through it. There we go. Very nice. Now, those are your directions. Now, another thing you have access to, obviously, is Google Street View. If you, anywhere you have a pin placed, if you press on that pin, press the little red guy there in the corner there, it will automatically go to the Google Street View of exactly where you are in 360 degrees. Very neat. Now, if you're worried about traffic, you have live traffic feeds on here. So if you click where it says overlay traffic, click it to on, and if you zoom out there, it will show you either in green or red if there are any traffic delays on major highways. So there's your 401 showing green. Traffic is okay right now. Yeah, but as you get closer to the city, you'll see red traffic areas you should avoid. So that is just a quick look at the Maps application. The other one, which I really, really like here, is YouTube. I spend hours on this, mindless hours of looking at mindless videos, but we're going to click on that. I should say tap on that, not click. And then you have very many different ways you can look at videos on this. You can search for a particular video. So say you want to look at videos of dogs. So you can type dog and search. So you get all kinds of videos of dogs. And say you want to look at this particular video of very funny dogs. Tap on that, and it immediately zooms in and begins playing your video in very good high resolution. Of course, that happens to be a slideshow, so that's not a very good example of video, so we'll go to talking dogs here. Maybe that's more interesting.
Love Mama? I love Mama.
I think I got my dog barking. Now you can also go to landscape mode and get a full screen video as well. So again, very, very useful application. Now you can see that the accelerometer in the iPad will turn your screen to whatever orientation that you're holding the device. There's a little lock on the side here to lock the accelerometer if you don't want it to turn when you're turning the device. So that's just a quick look at Maps and the YouTube application on the iPad.